So we got 17's God of Music. I'm guessing that's what it's called because it says it right there. God of Music. Who is the God of Music? I don't know. Who would you consider God of Music? If you say 17, you're right. So without further ado, let's check this out. This is in 4K. I don't know if my computer can handle it, but let's see. If I do cut off, that means the 4K can't be handled. But yeah, 17, God of Music. Let's go. Let's begin. It's like a little trinket on the car. Oh, snap. Guitars are raining? Or who threw that? Music not found. Oh, has music been banned in this world? Oh, okay, look back at it. Ooh. Oh. Hey, what is that thing? Wait, what he's blowing into? There's a word for it. Is it like a Swedish thing? I don't know, I forget. It's Swedish? Woo! It is universal language. Oh, you better get yours. It's already upbeat, like big band type of vibe. Okay, DJ. Oh, donkey? Let's be friends. This right here is a wallpaper. This right here is a wallpaper. Oh, look at the headphones dance. Okay, Vernon. Hey. Hey. Oh, was he in the hospital? Yep. Okay. Hey. One more time. Oh, I like this. I like the meaning of this song already. Ooh. Okay, I see you, Joshua. The vibe. Is it Kong Chi Pak Chi? Kong Chi Pak Chi. Yeah, okay. Oh, and we got like different. Oh, hi, Vernon. Okay, that was a weird pause. Ooh. Hey. Are these like a bunch of kids just dancing behind them? Of like. Such a good song. The whole album's so amazing. Let's go. Thank you so much for resubscribing, little potato. Ooh. Oh, the little guy for the symbol was dancing with him. Ah, my bias. Of course he would. A little collaboration with the ants. I've been watching him on the show, I think it's called The Devil's Plan. It's been pretty fun. It's on Netflix. Ooh. It's like almost a fairy tale. Let's go, Woozy. It's so fresh. I don't know, something with 17, they always have like a great aesthetic every comeback. What is that? Kong Chi Pak Chi. Does anybody know that? I love their outfits. I don't know what it means. Does anybody know what it means? Can someone explain it in the comments if I don't get an explanation, please? Is it like do re mi? Or is that like a translation to a different... Oh, it's connected to the sky. I just realized. These headphones. Dang, that's a big wire. No Bluetooth? Wire is more better, I feel. More quality. Ooh! Let's go. Oh, and he's in the phone because didn't he get he got injured, right? Oh, he wasn't able to participate? Oh. Magic School Bus looking at. Aw, it's like a revolution. Dang, they blinged out too. Damn, look at all those people too. Yeah, I remember that he even went to like support them at their tour, but in a wheelchair. Hope he the bridge for this MV is insane. Yeah, he tore his ACL, right? Oh, the budget. It's by a snail with his sludge. God of music. Is he the god of music? Maybe he is. We never know. Fun fact: the mic in the MV is actually sent to space. Really? That is a fun fact. Let's go, Woozy. Wow, that was really refreshing feeling. I didn't know what to expect with it, such a title called God of Music. It's like, if there is a God of music out there, blah, blah, blah. I was like, ooh. But yeah, to answer your question, Dre, it's an onomatopoeia for drums. Ah, okay, so Kong, Chi, Pak Chi, Kong, Pak Chi, yeah. Like, that's like an onomatopoeia for drums. Like, kind of like that, maybe? I don't know. It's different for a title track for 17, but I liked it. Yeah, I'd like it. Is this considered a title track or a B-side? I want to give you a hug for gratitude. Music makes you feel, bro. Ooh. That shot's pretty fire right there. A universal language. Hey. Music really does speak. I mean, obviously, we all listen to K-pop, so it is a universal language no matter what language it is. Ooh. Hey. Yeah, he's in the hospital. Wait, it's cool that he's part of the music video too. Separate scene too. Oh, Vernon. That was interesting. I love the vibe. It is a title, totally 17 sound. They do have like a color around like that. Their aura does sound like pretty like they have theirs. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how each group has a different sound, even though like maybe they do a same type of genre, but they have their own distinct sound. And 17 really does have that over the years. They mastered that. Like, you know what a 17 sound sounds like, you know. Another fun fact is that 17, the only boy group in 2023, reached #1 on the Melon charts in Korea. Ooh. 17 on fire in Korean stream platforms. I see. Pink hair coops. Nah, it's cute. I mean, I wish I could do pink hair anymore, but I feel like my hair has been bleached too many times to I can't recover it anymore. Kongchi Pakchi means also kick, snare, drum, bass, piano, bass line, each word meaning those meanings. I see. Thank you for the update on that. The song is really cute. Very 17. It's not your fave, but it will grow on you. I feel like I don't know. I like this type of style, like very upbeat. I mean, they always have like a very upbeat sound. It's definitely a little bit different. It's almost like, how do you explain it? It's like a more of a everybody sing along type of vibe. But I can see why people are saying like, I can see this even as a B-side, like a really good B-side too. But this is a title track is good. I mean, I kind of like when groups experiment, or not even just experiment, or just do different sounds too. No, it still has a 17 sound too. I like it, especially the chorus. It's like the hook. Yeah, I like that part a lot. And I don't know what it means. It's basically like drums, kind of like onomatopoeia feel too. But anyways, that was 17. God of music, if there's a god of music out there. I like that, how like I thought it was like they're like referring to maybe their gods of music, or but in reality it's like, if there is a god of music out there, I would love to give them a hug, kind of ish. I like that. Pop funky, yeah, correct. But anyways, it was fire. Leave a like, share this video, subscribe. It's your boy JRE, and you all have a nice day. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.